Chicken momos. Momo is a type of steamed dumpling with some form of filling, most commonly chicken, and it is originally from Tibet. Ingredients: 1 cup chicken mince, 1 cup refined flour for dusting, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons oil, 1 medium onion, finely chopped, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, crushed black peppercorns to taste. Method: heat sufficient water in a steamer. Take refined flour in a bowl, add salt, 1 tablespoon oil and knead into a stiff dough using water as required. Take chicken mince in another bowl, add onion, coriander leaves, soya sauce, garlic, salt, crushed peppercorns, and remaining oil and mix well. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Dust a portion with some flour and roll out into a large disc. Cut out discs from it using a medium-sized cookie cutter. Similarly, prepare discs from the other portion. Place a spoonful of the chicken mixture in the center of each disc. Bring the edges together and shape into your choice of momo. Place the momos in the steamer, cover and steam for 6 to 8 minutes. Serve hot with your choice of sauce.